What's in a serving?
Some people want to know what's in a serving of Cheetos. I'll tell you what's in a serving. 21 Cheetos brand, flaming hot, lemon flavored, crunchy snacks. Put a zesty zing on your tongue. Just the right amount of zip for one. You know, I've seen what the Mexicans do. You ever heard of walking tacos? Cut open the Cheetos, put all the freaking meat and onions and stuff, and you straight out of the bag.
Oh yeah, I heard about that.
Tonight we're going to the mountains up in, where are we going?
What looks like it, I don't know.
I can't remember. Oh, no, it's Mount Soledad. Mount Soledad. We're gonna find some ghosts. If not, we'll try to get some other good content, but for now, just stay tuned and we'll keep you up to date with the vlog. We're gonna wait. Cheetos, you got
So Mount Dad, going to Mount Dad, something like that?
Mount Sugar Daddy.
Mount Sugar Daddy. Hey, do something funny.
Hey, why don't you come over here and get some of this? Come on. Oh, dang it. We were hoping you would step in the poop.
That was real friendly. What a great neighborly thing to do. Why is that there?
Someone doesn't clean up after their dog. No, you missed it. You like perfectly like stepped like right through it without getting it.
Well, that's good. What are they doing way over there? What's up, guys? What are you doing out here?
There he is. Hey, there he is. Oh, we're looking for a coon.
Were you? Did you find it?
No.
Oh.
Cool island.
Yeah.
Did you step in the poop?
No. I actually missed it on accident. Trey was a little disappointed when I didn't. Alright. So, about to get in the car. Head to the mountain.
Navigator just went straight through it.
Yeah,
Somehow.
I didn't know about the poop. I forgot about the second time, but I still didn't step in it. What do you think about that, huh?
Hey,
Outsmarted.
Couldn't happen to any of us.
How am I supposed to fit back there?
Roll up the seat, bud.
It's broken.
Huh?
There we go. Oh!
Oh, holy crap, that went back far.
Oh!
Look at you, dude.
Oh!
What do you mean?
Alright,
Shut the door, dude.
we're in. What happened, boss?
Just gotta put this back together and we're all good to go.
Key fell apart when you were trying to turn the key?
Yeah.
Jeez, what kind of car do we have?
American.
Cyan TC?
American made.
Why'd you buy this thing?
Traded.
Oof. So Luke, tell us a bit about Mount Soledad.
Dude, I literally don't know anything about it.
Oh, me neither. I guess I'll find out.
Oh, that though.
There's like a big cross there. It's like a memorial for something, Luke said. You better be right. Alright, Mount Soledad is a prominent landmark in the city of San Diego, California. It is a mountaintop and is the site of the Mount Soledad Cross, subject of a 25-year controversy over the involvement of religion and government, which concluded in 2016. I'm just reading. Let's see, elevation is 823 feet. Location La Jolla, San Diego County, California. What country are we in?
Huh? Uzbekistan.
United States, that's right. Yeah, so it should be cool. So it's going to be a really cool view. The main reason people go there is to get a view of the main city of San Diego. So you go high up on the mountain, look down, and you see all the lights, and it looks cool. Dude, I look like an emo kid, don't I? Nobody understands me. Ooh. Pop punk is cool, dude. Do you even skate, bro? So, dude. Ooh, nice camera, bro. What kind of camera is that?
Huh?
Is this good content? Are you making a YouTube video right now?
Good content.
Wait, what's your evil diabolical plan?
So when Jake records, I don't talk. And when I record, Jake talks all of it.
So you get all the good content and then my content's boring. So you might as well just stop watching and unsubscribe and dislike and switch off, turn on a different video. Turn like Turner.
Trey Turner.
Trey Turner.
Handsome Trey Turner.
The name's Turner. Trey Turner.
Oh, shoot.
So we're going to the mountain to look down at the city. What do you think about this? How does this make you feel, sir?
Dude, it makes us feel great.
Hey! Those feet lights sure are something, eh?
Hey? Holy guacamole.
Looks like we found a secondary purpose for this place. It's a make-out point. Hey Luke, if people make out, do they make in? Here it is, eh? That dark part right there is the ocean. There's the cross. Pretty good view. There's the cross right there. And then city all around. Probably should have come here in the daytime, but at least you get to see what it looks like at night. Get to see the city lights pretty good. It's a pretty sweet spot. Alright, back in the car. Thanks for watching, guys.